Hey guys, Lady Borgia, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a Ciate glitter flip moment, like literally. From the eyes down to the lips, we are glittering with this. And no, it is not sponsored. I am just obsessed with these. They have been out for a minute, but they are, you know, there's no decline. They're just as awesome as they were when they first came out. So let's go have some fun. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and ding 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 dong ding, I got a glittery stick. Hit that notification bell or you will miss wonderful glittering moments. Okay, let's go. All right, I pulled you in so you could see a little bit. I think you can tell I've got my eyebrows on. I've got a little concealer on the lids, and we're going to be playing with the Ciate liquid lipsticks, the glitter flips. I have an obscene amount of them. I'm not going to say the number. And we're also going to play with the Urban Decay Elements palette, which has been in my collection for a while. And no, I haven't touched it. I am guilty of doing that for several of them, so I will be playing them with you guys. So I'm gonna hit this color right here, this nudie color, Antidote with a Morphe 139. Ooh, that's got a lot of kick. And I just want to put a little in the crease to bring back some depth because I wiped it out with the concealer. I wiped it out. Good. I can speak. Okay. And just buffer in there. Next thing, we are going to go into Iconic. I love this color. It is sick. And your favorite liner brush. So, alright. Go in the corner and bring her around. I like that. And then use the flat of your brush and fill in tight to the lash line. You know, with these normally you have to press your lips together to see the glitter. We're going to be working with this enough that you will see the glitter and the shine. It will be popping out. And then we're going to start in the inner corner and just flick it out. Voila. And I'm going to bring it in. Okay, I went ahead and caught up my left eye and then reloaded my brush, and we're going to go back and continue on with my right eye. And we're going to start right about here. And you kind of want a V here. So you're going to be bringing it over to fill it in right, and then bringing it up and around. And then the wing is going to come up more. And this wing is going to come up more to meet it. What is going on with my eyes? All right. Alrighty, we have both sides all done, and we're going to pop into, let's see, Siren, which is this beautiful glittery dark teal color. We're just going to use it for some accents. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that yet. Hold on. Shebang! Ooh, I like it. Okay. Stop talking. I can do this a lot faster if I don't talk. It is never a good idea to have this much coffee when you're doing liner graphics. Can you see it? It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's thicker in through here, and then thin it down. And flick. There you go. Alrighty, I'm gonna hit the other eye, and we're gonna move on. Okay, I just realized it wasn't recording, so I'm gonna go back in with the green just to smooth it out and blend it. You can see, actually, I could do a little more. Okay, there. Can you see? Oh. Can I just live like this? With pretty glitter lipstick on my lids. Alright, now I'm gonna get my E46. I'm sorry, you can't see it. Little flat shader and my Morphe setting spray and pop some on there. And first I'm gonna take Urban Decay's Cosmic, which is this really pretty white shimmer, and we're gonna pop that in the inner corner. Originally I thought of maybe putting something all over the lid, but it's just so pretty. I don't want to take away from the graphics. I don't know. I might put a little like right in here. Just a little. What do you think? Actually, I kind of like it. Something even better if I am going to put anything on the lid, and that would be Sugarpill's Lumi, which is a white with a turquoise reflect, which would go really well with this. So we're going to put some of that on the same brush. Ooh! And be careful, it's loose. And I've got it all over my lap. And we're going to pop that in the corner as... Oh, as well. Holy mother. Yes. There we go. I think we'll put a little of that just across. That being that, I'm going to stop and I'm going to pop some lashes on and clean up under here, and then we're going to continue and finish the face. Alright, I have lashes on. I did really wispy ones so it didn't take away from all that pretty work. Can I say one more time? I put concealer just under my eyes, a little right here, and to kind of hide my guest. I don't have foundation on. I don't normally wear it. I think I've worn it once on YouTube. I do have it, and I'm still on the quest to find my holy grail, so when I do feel like wearing it, it will be like my absolute favorite. But I will never be a girl that wears it on a daily basis, so why not here? Okay, I'm going to take Marc Jacobs Eyeliner and just quickly tight line up here to fill her in, and right here. There we go. I'm gonna grab a Sigma, I believe it's an E17. Yes, it is. It's a little liner brush. And I'm gonna get Huntington Beach from Jeffree Star. All his liquid velour lipsticks are safe for the waterline, although I've been known to stick things in my waterline that aren't. And get it in there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I do like that. Although I like it a lot better if I don't get it all over my face. Woo! Okay, yes, I like that very much. I do. Okay, I'm trying to decide what I want to do with the rest of my under eye area. I do love that Huntington Beach. I don't know if I want to smoke it out with black. If I want to put some of this green in for Makeup Forever. I actually ended up with two of these. The single, and then I've got it in one of the Makeup Forever palettes, which I've got to use those more soon because they are part of the like forgotten makeup that's getting used this year because I feel bad. I wouldn't want to be forgotten. Anyway. Weirdo. All right, so okay, let's go in. We'll take a little bit of Bulletproof from Sugarpill. It's matte black. Oh, there's a dent in it. Probably from my finger because I'm like that. I try not to be, but I am sometimes. And we're just gonna smoke some in there so we can match it up to that blue and blend it out. Oh god. And the top is so sharp and whatnot. Why not make the bottom a little smoky? Oh, yeah. One side's like a little smoky and the other one is ooh, charred. Holy shoot. Okay, well, we can fix that. I think we're gonna go for this, which is I have to go the hard way. Makeup Forever D, I think 236. It's this. I go in with some of that on the same brush. Just kind of add that in there to mix in with the black. Okay, yeah, right here in the same palette. I don't know what these two are doing with all these pinks and oranges. Big old Z palette of ColourPop, and then I threw two of these in here. This is what we're gonna hit it up next with, and it is I220, and we're just gonna throw a little bit of that in there to mimic that like dark tealy blue, dark blue and tealy moment. I don't know what the hell I'm trying to say. The moment above, see all this graphic like sharpness? We're gonna do like a smoky bottom below that mimics it but isn't all like sharp. We're gonna make it smoky, you know. There we go. Oh my god, where did my eyes go? Ooh. And see, you can see it like literally showing. I hope you can see it. I can see it. If you were with me right here, you would see it. Oh, that's not in the case. That's bad. All right, so we'll put that there. Honestly, it is not looking like I'm actually going to get into this palette. Poor Urban Decay Elements palette. You know what? You know what we're going to do? We're going to try this color in the center. We didn't add any highlight, so let's add some. Just a little right there. Okay, let's grab some mascara, which I have a ridiculous amount of, and I think we're going to go with this Tarteist. Bottom left. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, look at that. Oh, I like it. I wish you guys could see like down this way. Okay, anyway, look, it's the little. I can't talk. I need to go eat. This needs to be over now. All right, let's get some Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and my favorite. This is a Morphe brush. It's a little kabuki brush. I love it so much, and we're just gonna put a little bit on my face and a quick contour. I actually have one that I like better for like really contouring, but I'm not digging her out right now, even though she's in the drawer right down here. Yeah, I made that sound like it was really far away. Little under the jawline. I think we'll go with this one because, well, what the hell? Let's see, do I like it? I do. All right, I have a more natural looking one sitting right here. So I have two sitting right here that are almost the exact same color. Okay, and I want to try I didn't do BoxyCharm this month. Honestly, I got it really early and I just wanted to open it, so I did. And it was like, wah, wah. This was like 2 of the items in there I already had. So it's like, oh, okay, backups. And the other ones were like meh. And then I got a highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. So we're gonna try that out. And oh, okay. Oh, that's without anything. Hold up. I was gonna bust out the Cocoa Bling. I had it, let's see, right here. Cocoa Bling. What color is this? This is Shimmering Swan. Okay, Shimmering Swan. I think this kind of go. Whoa! Holy. What do I know? This is like, this is dry. Okay. Happier with my BoxyCharm now. And apparently I was a nightclub act in my last life. I'm loving it so much, I don't want to take it off. And I know I say that a lot, but it's true. So we're gonna stay with the Ciate glitter flips. Sorry, it's like reflecting really bad. We're gonna stay in that realm and we're gonna go with Candy. So let me put this on and then we will do the reveal. Yeah. Okay. Here I go. Be right back. And this is the finished look as per usual. Voila! I can't help myself. The glitter flip, graphic eye, and lip. I should call this the lipstick look. Although God knows, we know that I'll be putting lipstick on my eyes again. I love this shade Candy. I love so many of the shades that they have. I think they're freaking awesome. And no, these are not sponsored, but I'm just being honest and truthful. And they feel so light on your lips and honestly in your eyes. It doesn't feel like there's anything on my eyes. So on that note, I'm going to go because I'm hungry and it's time to eat. So give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And ding, 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 dong, ding. Hit that notification bell or you will miss glittery flip moments. All right, guys. I love you. Love, Lady Borgia.